Hello aspirants. Welcome to my channel GK Lab. We are going to discuss important MCQs on Vedic age. Which one of the following is oldest Veda? Option A. Yajur Veda. Option B. Rig Veda. Option C. Samaveda. Option D. Atharva Veda. Your answer is the correct answer is option B. Rig Veda. Tri is a name for option A. Three Vedas. Option B. Dharma, Sangha and Buddha. Option C. Three gods in Hindu pantheon. Option D. Three seasons. Your answer is the correct answer is option A. Three Vedas. The term Aryan denotes option A. An ethnic group. Option B. A nomadic people. Option C. A speech group. Option D. A superior race. Your answer is the correct answer is option D. A superior race. Meaning of the term Arya in classical Sanskrit is option A. Believer of the god. Option B. A hereditary caste. Option C. A believer in particular religion. Option D. A nobleman. Your answer is the correct answer is option D. A nobleman. In which Vedic text the term Varna is found referred for the first time? Option A. Rig Veda. Option B. Atharva Veda. Option C. Samaveda. Option D. Yajur Veda. Your answer is the correct answer is option A. Rig Veda. The Purush Sukta related to Varna system is originally found in option A. Atharva Veda. Option B. Samaveda. Option C. Rig Veda. Option D. Manusmriti. Your answer is the correct answer is option C. Rig Veda. Which one of the following four Vedas contains an account of magical charms and spells? Option A. Rig Veda. Option B. Yajur Veda. Option C. Atharva Veda. Option D. Samaveda. Your answer is the correct answer is option C. Atharva Veda. In Rig Veda there are hymns. Option A. 1028. Option B. 1017. Option C. 1128. Option D. 1020. Your answer is the correct answer is option A. 1028. The Rig Veda is the option A. Collection of hymns. Option B. Collection of stories. Option C. Collection of words. Option D. Text of war. Your answer is the correct answer is option A. Collection of hymns. Which one of the following Brahmana texts belongs to the Rig Veda? Option A. Aitareya Brahmana. Option B. Gopatha Brahmana. Option C. Shatapatha Brahmana. Option D. Taittiriya Brahmana. Your answer is The correct answer is option A, Aitareya Brahmana. Gopatha Brahmana is associated with option A, Yajurveda, option B, Samveda, option C, Atharva Veda, option D, Rig Veda. Your answer is the correct answer is option C, Atharva Veda. Which mandala of Rig Veda is completely dedicated to Soma? Option A, 7th mandala. Option B, 8th mandala. Option C, 9th mandala. Option D, 10th mandala. Your answer is the correct answer is option C, 9th mandala. The 9th mandala of the Rig Veda Sanhita is devoted wholly to option A, Indra and his elephant. Option B, Urvashi and the heaven. Option C, gods related to plants and drugs. Option D, Soma, and the god who is named after the drink. Your answer is the correct answer is option D, Soma, and the god who is named after the drink. Rites and rituals related to yajnas are mentioned in option A, Rig Veda. Option B, Samaveda. Option C, Brahman Granthas. Option D, Yajurveda. Your answer is the correct answer is option D, Yajurveda. The compilation of which among the following is based upon the Rig Veda? Option A, Yajurveda. Option B, Samaveda. Option C, Atharva Veda. Option D, none of these. Your answer is the correct answer is option B, Samaveda. The earliest evidence of the use of iron in India has been discovered from option A, Taxila. Option B, Atranjikhera. Option C, Kaushambi. Option D, Hastinapur. Your answer is the correct answer is option B, Atranjikhera. Upanishads are books on option A, religion. Option B, yoga. Option C, law. Option D, philosophy. Your answer is the correct answer is option D, philosophy. The main theme of Upanishads is option A, social structure. Option B, philosophy. Option C, law. Option D, state. Your answer is the correct answer is option B, philosophy. Which one of the following Vedic literature talks about salvation? Option A, Rig Veda. Option B, later Sanhitas. Option C, Brahmans. Option D, Upanishads. Your answer is the correct answer is option D, Upanishads. The famous dialogue between Nachiketa and Yama is mentioned in The. Option A, Brihadadranyaka Upanishad. Option B, Chandogyopanishad. Option C, Kathapanishad. Option D, Kenipanishad. Your answer is The correct answer is option C, Kathapanishad. Nachiketa. Legend finds mention in option A, Atharva Veda. Option B, Satapatha Brahman. Option C, Kathapanishad. Option D, Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Your answer is the correct answer is option C, Kathapanishad. King Aswapati of the Upanishadic period was the ruler of option A, Kashi. Option B, Kekaya. Option C, Panchala. Option D, Videha. Your answer is the correct answer is option B, Kekaya. Which of the following is the correct order of the Vedic literature? Option A, Vedic Sanhitas, Brahmanas, Aranyakas, Upanishads. Option B, Vedic Sanhitas, Upanishads, Aranyakas, Brahmanas. Option C, Vedic Sanhitas, Aranyakas, Brahmanas, Upanishads. Option D, Vedic Sanhitas, Vedangas, Aranyakas, Smritis. Your answer is the correct answer is option A, Vedic Sanhitas, Brahmanas, Aranyakas, Upanishads. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon to receive notifications for new video updates. Thank you.